That's it.
Greetings, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I slayed the heck out of this synthetic ponytail. Now, let's get into the video and see how I did this hair. It's your girl Gotti, back with another video. I'm a little hyper today, yo. Y'all gonna see the multitude of different personalities that I have. But today, we're doing another hair video. Woot woot. So this is my natural hair when it's like nappy. I just want to like briefly tell y'all that there is no excuse for why a female should ever look toed up, okay? Because there are different ways to look cute on a budget, and this video is gonna help you just with that. So if you're on a budget and you still want to look cute, I got you, sis. So today we're gonna use this hair. It's the same hair that I used for my first video that I uploaded on YouTube, and this hair is from Freetress Equal, and it looks like this. And so maybe I should use the color that the lady has here, because that would have looked bomb. That would have looked fired on me. But I'm trying to like not do color for now. Like maybe when it gets hotter. This hair costs $15.99 at the local beauty supply store here in Houston. Okay, so I don't know how much this hair is gonna cost, or even if you have access to it. I'm gonna see if I can link the company's name in the description box below, so just be pendant of that. If you don't see it there, it's because I couldn't find it. But this hair is 30 inches long, and this is in the color 2, because my hair, as you can see, has like different colors. I had dyed my hair like when I first got here. When I first moved to Houston, I dyed my hair this color. It's like a gingerish color. So it grew out, and now like my regular hair color is coming in. So it's like kind of black, but it's like off black. Like it's not jet black. It's like regular black, like brown black. So the color 2 should be perfect for that. I use this hair. It's really, really pretty. And this is synthetic. So do not expect this hair to last you long. If you want this hair to last longer than usual, you want to go ahead and take this hair, this ponytail off every night when you go to sleep, and then place it back on. Your hair will last longer this way. But this is synthetic, so you cannot really like play around with this hair as much as you would want to. But we're on a budget, so we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna start off with a spray bottle, because my hair is really, really thick, y'all. Like, I cannot grasp all of this in one ponytail and expect it to look good. Like, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna do it for me. I gotta wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna add more water into this bottle. So now that I got my water in my little spray bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair. All right, so I pretty much damped my hair. Y'all. Yeah, I want to see how long my hair is. Like, look at this, look at this. Somebody come look at this. I play too much. My hair is long, y'all. Okay? It's boob length. It's like almost half my back. We're gonna use a little bit of Can2 leave-in conditioner. It looks like so. And this is just so that your hair is gonna be soft. I'm gonna use like this much product on my hair, because I don't really want it to look white when I'm putting on the gel. So we're gonna use El Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel. Alright, don't be like that girl and put Gorilla Glue on her hair. We don't do that over here, alright? I'm working my way around it. This is how much product I'm gonna use right now, but I'm gonna use way more than that because we want to slick this down, hunty. And this is literally like snot, so you gotta like be careful, because it's gonna go all over the place. So we're gonna start the brushing process. For me, it's gonna take a while to brush, because that's just how my stubborn hair is. And I'm gonna brush in upward motion because I will tie my hair up in a high bun. Alright. Dang, I don't even got a ponytail. How that's gonna work. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of this Eco Styling Gel. olive oil. And like I said, we're gonna be using a lot of product. So be prepared to wash your hair. I have a feeling this cola is gonna break on me. So let me go gently. This is not gonna work. I need something stronger. The struggles of having thick hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and part this into two and make this into like one little pony thingy. It's just so that I can grasp my hair better. I promise y'all this is gonna look way better than that. Okay, like that. We'll do that. And now we can go ahead and make this into a little bun. Take the scrunchie. So I'm using more Gorilla Glue. And I'm gonna be using a lot at this point because I need to slick this down. And as you can see, I have a lot of flyaways. We gonna do it. Go to the back. And then we just come brush. And it's okay, y'all don't need to worry because honestly, we're gonna tie the hair down and we're gonna let that do what it do. I really wish I could tie this like that so that it could be nice and taut. But I don't have any scrunchies, my lord. So now I'm gonna go in with my got to be glued blasting free spray. And we're just gonna spray that all over the hair. And we're gonna brush some more. And I wish I had bobby pins. I don't have that either. What the fudge? I don't have anything. Okay, I found a bobby pin. We're gonna use that on this side because we need to get this down a little bit. Okay, and now we're ready to do the pony. We're gonna take it off from the little net. It comes with this, you take it out. It was in the middle. Kobe. And then we're gonna get rid of this here, this little tag. We don't need that. Let me see if I can just tear it apart. Yeah, we can. We're gonna loosen this up. And it comes with two combs. One at the bottom, one at the top. I'm gonna cover that up at the very top and at the very bottom. I'm gonna tighten that up. Alright, I got it. So tie that as tight as you can. And then that little string, you wanna wrap that around the bun as tight as you can. And we're gonna try to grab your hair with it too, so that it can look nice and taut. So it looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks like this. So we're gonna pull that and put the ponytail right there. I mean the bobby pin right there. to the ponytail. Now you want to take a little piece of the hair. Gonna take like this much, right? And wrap that around the pony. Go through my edges, and we're gonna use the edge booster. I got the little tiny one here because I wanted to try it out, you know. I have the bigger one in strawberry, but somebody told me that the red one holds better. And truthfully, I don't think it's correct. So good thing I bought the little one. I think they both do the same thing, to be honest. Slick the edges down. There goes one little edge. So cute. And now we're gonna go with the next one. Gonna do the next one over here. And we're just gonna. And I like to put some on my actual hair from where I'm taking it so that it can lay back down. We're gonna lay it down. So this is what this side is looking like. I'm gonna just go ahead and freeze blast some more so it can stay in place. We're gonna lay it down for a little bit. So this is what I'm talking about. When you go to sleep, you wrap it like this. Make that scarf nice and tight. And take off your ponytail. You take off your ponytail and wrap it like this, and then you put your ponytail back on. And that's how you make this synthetic ponytail last as long as it can, because eventually it will start looking rusty. But I'll be back. That's it. Y'all know I don't play about my wine. Today we're drinking Roscato. Don't you just love to hear it and to see it? I love to see it. What? All right. And we're back. This is the final look, right? So we're about to reveal. We're about to take this off our head. And I don't think it's a great idea because I was just dancing and like I'm hot, I'm sweating. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do that anyways. Cause we don't got time, hunty. So this is what you do. You wrap your hair for a little bit and then you take it out. Okay, so this is the final look. My titties look pretty today, period. But anyways, this is the final look. I'm gonna zoom in instead of going so close. This is how it looks. You see the difference? If y'all don't see it, well, I do. Anyways, so this is the final look, y'all. Alrighty, back up. This is the final look. And this is how the ponytail came out. So if I had a better scrunchie to hold my hair, I think that this could be a little tighter. It's not as tight as I would want it to be, but it's alright because every time I make my hair so tight, I end up getting migraines and then I start complaining and crying. No, I don't cry, but I start complaining. I do start complaining. I start to complain. So this is good. Alright, so that's the end of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below your thoughts. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Have a nice one.